Namaste viewers, welcome to Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Today I am going to prepare a goju or a side dish using mango. I have taken this one mango, required amount of salt, required amount of jaggery, required amount of red chili powder, for tempering methi seeds, mustard seeds, turmeric powder and hing. Now we will peel the mango and make the slices out of it. Now I have sliced the mango and taken. I didn't show you the oil for tempering while showing the ingredients. Now I am showing it. Required amount of oil also needed. First we will keep the kadai for getting heat on the stove. Now the kadai is heated. Add a tablespoon full of oil in the kadai. Let it get heated. Now the oil is heated. Add hing to it. Required amount of hing. I have added half a teaspoon of hing. Now add mustard seeds. Then add a teaspoonful of methi seeds. It will give nice aroma and nice taste also. 1 teaspoon of methi seeds. Let it get fried. Now it is fried. We will add the sliced mango pieces to it. To this itself, what we will do, we will add a half a spoon of turmeric powder. Mix it thoroughly. Now I have mixed it thoroughly. We will add a cup of water and let it allow to boil. To this itself we will add required amount of salt. I am going to add a tablespoon of salt. You add according to your desire, or it depends upon the sourness of the mango. So add the salt, mix it thoroughly and let it cook so that mangoes will get very soft. Now close the lid and allow it to cook. Cook this until the mangoes get very smashy. Now we will check whether the mango slices are cooked or not. They have cooked perfectly. They have become very soft. See. Now to this, what we will do? We will add chili powder. First we will add half a teaspoon of chili powder to it. Then a teaspoon of jaggery. Mix it thoroughly. Mix it thoroughly. Taste it. Then if necessary you add the chili powder, jaggery, salt, whatever you want. Otherwise this will be perfect blend of all the sweet, sour, hot, everything. Let it cook for some more time. Then we will switch off the stove. Let it cook for at least 1 or 2 minutes so that all these will become transparent. We will taste. If necessary, we will add the ingredients, whatever is necessary. I tasted it. It required some more chili powder, so I am going to use another half a teaspoon of chili powder and mix it thoroughly. Let it cook for some time. Then it will be ready. Now at this stage, you just smash the mangoes with the help of spatula so that you will get a little bit creamy texture. It will be very nice with rice and you can use it as pickle also. If you keep it in fridge, it will last for, it will be there for 1 week. So in 1 or 2 seconds it will be ready. It will show the finished product. Now the tasty and healthy mango goju is ready to serve. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Thank you.